Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to access Spotlight on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if of course you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, in the bottom left corner, we have your locations. And in the bottom left corner, besides that, we have the chats, which I will not be opening now because I have some private chats there. You also, as you can see, have the camera, where you can check it out here, where you can, of course, go and snap, and your friend stories in this section. But in the bottom right corner, when you click on it, you'll see the spotlight. So here you can go and check out videos. My internet connection is bad at the moment, so that's why this one doesn't want to load the video. But be sure when you load a video, you can of course go and watch it, comment it, like it, share it with your friends, repost it, whatever you want. You can also put a spotlight if you want. And you can also guys go and swipe from the end of the screen to the upper side to go and swipe through those spotlights and watch some other spotlights also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. But until then, guys, bye.